Well, hello world and all who inhabit it. This is Candy with eyes2jesus.blogspot.com, just bringing you a quick unboxing video. It has been a while since I've done an unboxing video. It is the morning. This is when I normally get my mail delivered to me, and I am off camera because I still am not dressed, because these days I need to temporarily get extra sleep because I am replenishing a blood supply. And if you don't know what that is about, you may read my blog at eyes2jesus.blogspot.com to catch up on what's been going on with my health. So I just got a box in the mail. I've been waiting for this. This is from Franklin Planner or Franklin Covey. So I haven't opened it yet, other than cutting it open and removing the packing slip. I just I looked away and I reached in and felt for the slip and pulled it out. And I have stickies over the address label. So let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so the first thing we have is a Franklin Covey starter pack. It's been a while since I've gotten a new Franklin Covey starter pack. It's actually been at least a few years, so it was time to get another one. And I go ahead and spend the extra $1 and get one in the blush instead of the standard, because I really like the pink. So the starter pack is if you're first starting to put together a planner binder, or you need fresh starter pages, or it's been a while. So you have a tab here for planning calendars, and then you have a planner guide, you have values and mission, you have goals, finances, key information, and then you have tabs numbered 1 through 5 that you can use for your own uses, whatever you need it for, and then you have a phone and address tab. Now, I usually don't use all of these tabs or in their orders. I usually do a lot of my own dividers. But the pages that come between the tabs are the most important part for me and what I'm looking for. And then you can see here in the picture, this is a sample of one of the pages from the planner guide. And this is a picture of the weekly compass cards. Enough weekly compass cards come in this pack to last me a whole year if I do decide to use them. And they slide inside the page finder. The clear page finder has a pouch on it, which also comes in this starter pack. And then you can kind of see the pink calendar page there to get an idea of what the pretty dividers look like. So that's the first thing. Next thing I got is this. Oh, by the way, I got this. I had a coupon, so I went ahead and got that. And this I got for free because I had some rewards money, or whatever Franklin Covey calls it, saved up. So I was able to get this completely for free. And so this is from the collab between Franklin Planner and Teresa Collins. They also have their planners if you're interested in those. But I was interested in this, especially since I can get it for free. So this is A Beautiful Life by the Hour planning pages. So you can see samples of them here. And this is undated. And it is a full week of planning pages, undated. So I like that because that means I can just use these anytime. I don't have to use them on a specific year. So in the back here is a sample of what one of the planning pages looks like. So I thought that was just a cool thing to add to my planner stash. This is a someday thing. Okay, and next, yay, I got the catalog. I love the Franklin Covey catalogs. They're fun to flip through and look at all the pretty different planners that they got. And the different planner pages that they got. And sometimes there is some free inserts that they'll have stapled in here too that you can put into your planner, and that's extra fun. That's all that's left in there now is the most important, most exciting part, and that is this, my planner binder that I have been drooling over for months. I got this as an early Thanksgiving present, and I had a coupon which gave me a significant discount. Here it comes. Look at this beauty. Okay. Ah, the joys of unboxing videos where we do things with one hand. Oh boy. So you can see that it's red. I'm going to need to set this down. Alright, picking the camera back up so you don't miss a beat. Oh, this is my favorite shade of red, guys. This is what I was hoping for. Holy smokes. Oh, this is insanely gorgeous. Very, very nice feeling leather. This is indeed my favorite color of red. Red is my favorite color, and this is my favorite shade of red. Hopefully the camera is translating it properly. This is carmine red, and if you don't know what type of planner this is the Franklin planner called the Anna, A-N-N-A, and its inside pockets are just like the Aurora. And I'm actually currently in a classic size Aurora right now. Let's go grab that and I'll show you. So here we go. You can see I am currently in a classic size Cognac Aurora. I also have one in compact. No, this is not for sale, and neither is my compact. I have gotten multiple inquiries on that. Not even just recently, but I still get inquiries on it from some of my old videos that have this. So this is a Cognac Aurora, and I'm planning on moving from this Cognac Aurora into this Anna. It's got the same pocket configuration, except the Anna has a zip back pocket with a hidden zipper, as to where the Aurora, and this is vintage Aurora, it's just a pocket. So I'm looking forward to having the zip, and I'm looking forward to having, instead of the slip tab that comes undone, I'm looking forward to having the snap. I'm looking forward to this nice accent line here instead of here, and I'm looking forward to the red because, oh my gosh, my favorite color. So, moving this off to the side, let's open this baby up and make sure everything is good inside. It's a nice feeling snap. Oh, super pretty. Of course, not laying flat right away, but that will be handled after less than a day's use, I'm sure. So, oh, this red is so pretty. So, if you're not familiar with the pocket layout of the vintage Aurora, it's the same as this Anna, which I really like. So you have nice, big, elasticated pen loops, 2 of them, so you can fit just about any pen. And some sticker there I'll have to get off. And you have a document pocket here, a zipper pocket here, and it is gusseted. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card slots, and the bottom card slot is an ID slot, so it's a window. Then I will remove this soon. This is just a ring protector while it was shipping. We take pride in bringing you planning tools crafted of the finest materials. Each detail is designed to help you reach your greatest success. So you can see it is the classic sized Anna leather snap 1.25 carmine red binder. The 1.25 is the ring diameter. The ring diameter is 1¼ inches. I am probably going to switch these out for 1.5 rings. I currently have the 1.5 rings that I'm going to put in here in my vintage Aurora, which I don't remember. I think it originally came with 1⅓ rings, or it was oval 1.5. So I have round 1.5 in here, and I'm going to take these rings out and I'm going to put them into here, and as long as it sits well and it works well with the footprint, I will go with that. But 1¼ is fine too. But if I can do 1.5, which I think I can, I will do that. And I'm thankful for 2 fresh page lifters. My page lifters have been getting kind of scratched up and very used up over the years of off and on using them. So yeah, and then so in addition we have the document pocket, the zipper, the card slots, and a secretarial. All right, and then here in the back you have this wide pocket here, this wide pocket here, and then 2 of the thinner pockets. I'm glad Made in China is now on a tag instead of embossed on like it usually was. This is getting cut off. I just don't like it. I don't really like logos either, but if they're embossed in like that, that's okay. But when it's embossed like that and then the huge words "Made in China" are right below it, like is on so many of the other planners, then that just, it shows and it just bugs me. So I'm glad it's a tag now, because I'm just going to give that a little snip. I don't like tags. Just like I snip off tags on my clothing because they are itchy, this is going to, because I am anti-tag. Oh, wow. And then, yes, and then recall we have this hidden zipper pocket in the back. So I'm going to turn off the camera now and play with this, and stay tuned. Perhaps this will be blah, blah. Perhaps this will be the planner binder that I will be in my November planner tour. Who knows? Have a blessed day.